Okay, in the first one we create the first window and we run it as this. We give it a title and we give it a geometry. Okay, let's do something else in this video. So before starting, let's give a look about the component or the widget that we have in CustomTkinter. We have a button, we have a combo box, option menu and CTK text boxes, and we have also sliders and progress bar. We have frames and scrollable frames and tab views. All of this we will take examples about this. Okay, let's for now create a label and the bottom and entry file. Okay, let's create a label, give it a name, my label, the master. For now I have just the root. The master means the layout where to add the component. For now we have just the root as the main window. If we have other frame or other layout, we can switch between it or back in this back element in these frames. For now we have just this one root. Okay, the text is labeled, then my label with back. We use back to display this. If we don't write this line, that means my label dot back, we can't see it. Let's give a try. If we run, this is the label, but if we add the comment here, we can't see the label. There is no label. Okay, so let's add the button, my button, CTK button, the master is the root. We will add an entry. In the placeholder we can see enter text, then we pack the entry. This is so easy with CustomTkinter because all what you should do is creating the widget and pack it. This is all what you need to do. Right, this is the entry and this is the bottom and this is the label. So for example, let's say if we're right here, for example, hello world, and then click in this button, it should print the text. So to do this, let's create a function to do this. Define a function, for example, display text, display underscore text. It's easy to get a text from entry. You should just use the get method, the entry dot get button. This will get its return text value. So then we print the text. So to call this function it's so easy. You go to the button, then you add argument call command, then call the function, but don't use this parenthesis, just like that, display underscore text. If we run the script, then we write here hello world, click the button. Okay, done. Let's try other text, for example, I'm Jack. it's done. So this is for this video, and see you in next one to talk about other components and other interactivity.